Oh, Vechain holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. So once again, I'm present with the another news of the Vechain. What's going on in the Vechain? What's the current price of Vechain? And what will be the next move of Vechain? And this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently latest price of the Vechain is 0.080829 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Vechain. Furthermore, if we talk about the price changes of the Vechain, so the price is open the Vechain, the latest last 1 hour price is negative. Last 1 day pricing is positive and last 1 week pricing is open the Vechain is again negative, my friends. So the last 1 hour, last 60-minute pricing is negative. That's mean that the current situation, my friends, I'm talking about the latest condition, the latest situation of the Vechain, my friends. So that's the latest news. So unfortunately the last 60-minute pricing is negative and the previous last 1 day pricing is positive. So that's why the people are so confused that what should we do in this critical situation. But don't be disappointed by the Vechain. Does not mean that the last 60-minute pricing is negative, so you are disappointed. No, my friends, that's not mean. My friends, I suggest for everyone that please hold to the last half of this month. And you know what my prediction tell us, that in the last half of June there's a lot of possibilities the price will take a quick jump, will take a huge pump. So please hold to the last half of this month, my friends. And from this price chart you can see here the price of the Vechain start pumping from yesterday, but unfortunately in the last 60 minutes the price fast down. And you know what, I think that this fast is for temporary. After some passage of time the price will again pump. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Vechain? Please also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.